Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create another multi-tool, but this one's going to be shaped like a key. So you can also carry it on a keychain. So we're going to go ahead and create a new design. Going to make sure it's in inches. Come up here to File. We'll go to Design Spark Options. We'll navigate to units and we'll make sure it's on inches, which it is, so we'll go OK. We're going to click that eye icon, change the plan view. We're going to come up here and minimize. Now we're going to drag our little model in, or our JPEG file. Okay, we'll go ahead and full size that. Now we're going to get our Polygon Tool. We want to make one here that's a 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to drag up. I guess I'll make mine straight over here. Okay, we're going to go tab and type in 0.25. Okay, now we're going to scale down this wrench here a little bit. So click and hold down the shift key. We want to get that close to the similar size. Key's a little odd shaped, but I think we can still work with it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get a line. I'm going to put a line from there over to here. So the key is going to be about 2.3 inches. We'll select the click off. We're going to create a mirror line, so we'll right mouse click on there, go to the top here, set as mirror line, and then we'll start our drawing. Go ahead and get the line tool. We're going to come out 0.074, and then we're going to follow the contours of the key. We'll put in the details after we draw the key. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get the corner rounder tool, create rounded corners, and we're going to do a couple fillets here. 0.116. We'll do the same over here. 0.116. I'm going to add fillets here. 0.116. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go ahead and put in these right here. So we'll go ahead and get our Polygon tool. I'm assuming that this one is at least 1/2 inch. So we'll go ahead and click, drag out to 0.5 seems a little large. We'll go, let's see here. We'll make this 0.125 times 3. We'll make it 0.375. So we'll go ahead and type in 0.375. Okay. Let's Control plus to zoom in. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of that mirror line. We don't need it. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that circle. I don't know how that got in there. And let's go Control plus. Get rid of that. Okay, let's pan over. Okay, this is going to be 3/8 right here. And then let's do a smaller one, but let's put out some construction lines. Just straight down so we know we're drawing in the right area. Okay, let's go ahead and get our Polygon tool. go pretty close to the center there if we can. That looks like that's 0.1. We'll go ahead and, oh no, that's 0.118, so that's the odd size. So let's go ahead and click do another one. Let's do this one, 0.125. Let's undo that. Let's go one more. Point 1, 0.2. Not sure that's going to be a usable size. We got a 3/8 up here, so this should be at least a quarter, so 0.25, a little less than a quarter. Let's do this. Yeah, let's just go with that. And let's go move. Let's drag that over. Let's drag that up a little bit and then drag it over. Okay, so this is going to be 1/4 inch. It's going to be 3/8. And then we'll just make them a little bit bigger as we go. Let's grab our Polygon Tool. Put another one out there. We'll make this 0.375. I think that's going to be the same as this one. Undo. Let's go ahead and control minus so we can see what we're doing. Go grab our Polygon Tool. We're going to put one more in here. Let's go 0.3. Now let's click on that, grab the Move tool. Let's move it over a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to Control plus. Let's move this over a little bit. All right, so let's get our line tool and just go straight through here like this. Select the click off. Now we're going to trim away. We're going to cut these pieces. go Control plus to zoom in. Trim away. Let's get our line tool. Let's go from here straight up. Select the click off. Let's do trim away. All right, let's pan down. Let's do the same over here. Let's trim. Let's get rid of those. That I'm probably just going to have to click on and delete. Let's get rid of the line tool. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of these lines and attach a new one. Go from endpoint to endpoint. Now I'll have to get rid of this line here, so go trim away. Okay, let's pan down, make sure everything's good. Alright, that looks okay. Now let's go ahead and put in our this piece here. So we're going to go put a little line right there. Right mouse click, create as mirror. Let's go ahead and draw the circle right there. 0.1. Let's get our tangent. Get the tangent line again, go from there over to there. Let's Control plus. Let's go ahead and get our trim away. Let's cut those out of there. Now let's get rid of that line. Delete. Delete. Let's round this. Get the corner rounder. 0.095. Let's pan over. Let's get this bottle opener in here. You can overdraw if you want. Select a click off. Let's grab our line tool. Okay, go ahead and grab your trim away. This will be your bottle opener here. Not sure what that is right there, but we can add it in. Let's go ahead and trim away. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's Control minus. Let's go ahead and delete this. So it looks like there's 3 hex wrenches here. There's a 1/4 inch hex bit holder here. Looks like there's the bottle opener, and then there's a flathead screwdriver on this side. Box opener. Okay, that's a box opener there. And then a key loop. Okay, we'll go ahead and delete that. Let's go Control plus. Okay, yeah. Now let's go ahead and Control minus. Let's spin this. Let's give it some thickness. Pull. Let's pull to 0.25. That might be a little too thick. Let's undo that. Let's click 0.125. That's better. We'll get rid of this, delete, get rid of that, delete, get rid of that, delete. Okay. Now we're going to put a, we'll need to put like a screwdriver in there. So we'll go pull. Let's click on that. Let's change it to chamfer. .5 we're going to do. And then we're going to spin that around, go to pull, and do this the same way. Chamfer 0.5. Uh-oh, that wasn't right. That is not going to be good as a screwdriver. I'm going to do it a different way, so let's undo. Okay, let's just add our details to this, and then we'll go. Let's click till everything is selected. Go to pull. We're going to put a fillet in here. Let's go 0.01. We're going to spin that around, do the same on the back side. .01. Let's pan this in. Let's do the same right here. Let's go 0.02 there. Let's spin this. Same on the front side. Click till everything's selected. 0.02. Okay, now let's take a look at this bottle opener. A pretty sharp corner there. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is draw the screwdriver part here. So we'll click there, go to plan view, Control plus. And we're going to pan over. Then we're going to go ahead and offset. So we'll offset this line over 0.3. Uh-oh. Went way too far on that. It's supposed to be 0.03. Okay, now we'll do this one. 0.03. Still looks kind of thick for a screwdriver, so let's move it over more. 0.012. 0.012. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of these outer lines. Okay, let's go ahead and put a close these lines up, endpoint to endpoint. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this. Let's go to pull. It's not really pulling the way I want it to pull. Let's see if we can use that. Go to move. Let's see if we can move that. Let's grab the red one. No, it doesn't look like we can. Probably gonna have to put a plane on there. So let's undo. Okay, go to there. Click on this face. Click the plane button. Okay, now draw on that plane. So we'll go plane. Let's go ahead and just get the rectangle tool, define from center. Make sure the plane is selected. And we'll drag out. It's going to be 0.019 by 0.226. Enter there. Go ahead and spin that. Go to pull. We're going to pull that out. 0.110. Select to click off. We can get rid of that plane. Let's spin this around. It's a little bit too big of a screwdriver, so we're going to actually move this. We're going to click on that point there. Undo. Let's grab the red. Okay, let's go there. Let's pull that in. 0.08. And then we'll go click there. Move that in. All right. And then we're going to move this down. Okay, so that's going to be our screwdriver. Going to go Control plus. We're going to pan over. Going to go ahead and put a little bit of a chamfer on that edge, so we'll pull. Change from regular to chamfer. Let's go 0.01. Spin that around. Let's pull this side. Make sure it's chamfered. Okay, let's undo that. Couple of undos. Let's type in 0.007. Okay, that's better. Now we'll spin this around. Do the same over here. Make sure it's on chamfer. 0.007. Not liking that screwdriver tip, so I'm going to leave it. Unless there's another way I can do it. Let's go to say move it. Let's move this. Let's move that in a little bit, but let's do this. Let's go to the anchor point. Don't really see a midpoint there. Guess I could try there. I'm going to leave it like that. That should be all right for the screwdriver. The only other thing I want to do is put a fillet around here so it's not a weak spot. 0.01. Let's Control minus. So you got screwdriver there, your bottle opener. 1/4" hex, and then you have the rest of them plus keychain. Alright, that's going to be it. It's going to be our key, so go ahead and go to the top view. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Okay, thanks again for watching.